Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Samsung fridge ice maker is not working or not making ice or stopped suddenly, this is usually a water flow temperature or reset issue and not always a hardware failure. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to set the freezer to around minus 80 degrees Celsius or 0 degree Fahrenheit. Now, if it is warmer than this, ice will not form properly. So this is one of the most overlooked causes. After doing so, you need to also inspect the water inlet line at the back. Make sure that it is fully opened. After doing so, a clogged filter also restricts the water flow. So you need to replace the filter if it is old. After replacing, you can just simply run the water through the dispenser to clear the air. Now, if you want to reset it, you can also do that. For that, you just have to do nothing but to just simply locate the reset button on the ice maker unit. Then press and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds. This restarts the ice making cycle and it will also clear the minor glitches. Afterwards, you just have to open the ice compartment and look for the ice stuck or jammed inside. If you find any, you just have to remove the blockages so that the mechanism can move freely. So you can try these methods one by one and your Samsung ice maker will be working properly again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.